Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation here, which is 9 to the power of x. This is equal to 54. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. Now we have 9 to the power of x. This is equal to 54. Now to solve this problem here, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 9 to the power of x. This is equal to log 54. Now, log 9 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which you can express as n log a. So let's apply this power rule property so that log 9 to the power of x becomes x log 9. This is equal to log 54. Now, let's divide both sides by log 9. Here we have log 9. Now, let's simplify log 9 and log 9 here so that we have x here is equal to log 54 divided by log 9. We can express 54. This is the same thing as 9 multiplied by 6. So that now we have x equal to, this is log 9 multiplied by 6 divided by log 9. Now we have that log 9 times 6, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then here we have x is equal to, this is log 9 divided by log 9, then plus, here we have log 6 divided by log 9. So we can simplify here. Log 9 and log 9 simplifies, so we have 1 here. Then this is x equal to 1 plus, here we have log 6 divided by log 9. Now the next step is that we can express 6. This is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 3. Now let's substitute 6 with 2 times 3 here so that we have x is equal to 1 plus, here we have log, this is 2 multiplied by 3, then divided by log 9. So we have here x is equal to 1 plus, we find that log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now, this implies that here we have log 2 divided by log 9, then plus log 3 divided by log 9. And this means that we can express 9. This is the same thing as 3 to the power of 2. So therefore we have that x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 2 divided by log 3 to the power of 2, then plus log 3 divided by log 3 to the power of 2. So applying the power rule property here, we have that x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 2 divided by, now log 3 to the power of 2 becomes 2 log 3, then plus, here we have log 3 divided by, we have 2 log 3. So we can simplify here, log 3 and log 3 here, so that now we have x is equal to, this is 1 plus, here we have a half, then plus a half, this is log 2 divided by log 3. Now, we have this is x is equal to 1 plus a half, this is the same thing as 3 over 2, then plus a half, log 2 over log 3, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property here. And this means that here we have a half log, this is 2 to base 3. Now, since a half is common here, we can factor out a half so that we have a half into the parentheses. This is 3 plus log 2 to base 3. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. This is the value of x. So the next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that this value of x here satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end at 9 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now let's substitute the value of x so that we have 9 to the power of 1 over 2 into the parentheses. This is 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now, the next step is that we can express 9. This is the same thing as 3 to the power of 2. So we have 3 to the power of 2 times, we have a half here. Into the parentheses, we have 3 plus, this is log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. So we can simplify 2 and 2 here, so that now we have 3 to the power of 3 plus, now we have log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now, 3 to the power of 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, we have 3 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 54. Now, we have that 3 to the power of 3. This is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3, and this is equal to 27. Now, we have 27 multiplying by 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3. Remember, this is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this is actually equal to b. And this means that 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3, this should give us a value of 2. Now let's substitute this value of 2 here. We have 27 times 2. This should give us a value of 54. And this implies that 27 times 2, this is actually equal to 54. And this is equal to 54. And therefore, we have that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that the value of x here, which is a half into the parentheses 3 plus log 2 to base 3, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.